Hey everybody at Central Church again. This is Kevin Gordon with the Kids Ministries of Central Church. And today another episode of Cooking with Kevin. All right. So today we're going to be making personal pizzas. That's right. I'm going to show you the ingredients that you're going to need at home. Here we go with the first ingredient is going to be the sauce. You need the pizza sauce. Okay. I'll have Delano, but you can use whatever pizza sauce you like. All right. And the next ingredient that my hands will get is whatever my hands feel like getting. Oh, here we go. I have some black olives here in my cup, okay? And my next ingredient is another cup, and it's mushrooms. I love mushrooms on my pizza. And the next ingredient is very important because it's the crust. You're going to need biscuit dough, okay? You're going to use one biscuit per pizza. Okay, and directly in front of me, straight ahead a little further, I have the pepperoni, if you like pepperoni. Okay, and then over to my left is the mozzarella cheese. Okay, so that's about all the ingredients you need. All right, so first we need to get our biscuit dough. So let's grab the, nope, not that one. No, my hands can't work today for some reason. Okay, we're going to undo the biscuit dough. And if you've ever worked with a can of biscuit dough, you have to pull the paper around, all the way around the can. And usually, I usually just squeeze at the seam, but sometimes you can put, there we go. You can put, there we go. Sometimes we can put a little spoon in there and kind of pry open the seam. Okay, now we unroll the carton. Okay, and we can just dump it right straight down onto the pan that you got. And that's fine, we'll just leave that one aside. Thank you, hands. And now we take the big roll of biscuit dough in front of us, and we're going to pull off one biscuit. We're going to pull off one of those biscuits. There we go. Okay, now we move the other biscuit dough out of the way because you need some room to work. All right. So we take our biscuit dough, and it's like a pizza restaurant, right? You're going to flatten out the dough. I'm going to spread it out here on my pan first. Okay. Sometimes I like to get talented, and I'll pick up my pizza dough, and I'll spin it in the air. Whoops. I need to get another one. And there we go. And we're going to spread it out here. I think I might try to spin it up in the air again. That kind of makes the edges spread out. See how it's spreading out? There. Now it's way out there. Okay. Now we put it down. We got a little hole in the middle of ours, so we're gonna spread the dough together. There I go. That's good. I did a good job. Okay. Now we take our pizza sauce. That's over here to the right. Right there. Take the lid off, because you have to have the lid off, right? You can't take it out. Okay, now I got a spoon over here to the right also that I'm going to use to dip into the sauce and pull out some dough onto my biscuit. There it is right there. And get some sauce. That's a great amount. Let's put it right there. And then I take the back of, no, that's not, I don't need any more. I don't need any more. What am I doing? I don't know. Then I'm going to take the back of the spoon and spread out the dough. Spread out the sauce on the dough by moving my spoon around. Okay, if you get it off of the biscuit like I did, that's okay. All right, now you're going to put the spoon down and you choose your toppings. I could eat that. I like eating sauce. It's good. All right, now we're going to put cheese on first because the cheese has to get all melty. Yep, and we have to spread the bag apart, open, and you might want to put your hand in and grab out some cheese and sprinkle it, or you might just want to sprinkle from the bag. So yeah, I like to eat it too. Good. Cheese is good. And sometimes you might miss your pizza. That's okay. I'm still missing it. I'm having a hard day today. I need to move forward with my hands and to the left. There, that is perfect. Wow, do you ever have these motor skill problems to yourself? All right, that's good. I usually like more pizza cheese than that. but this is for illustration. So I'm going to take the cup of olives here to my right, closer to the pan. There we go. And I'm going to sprinkle some of the olives. I like olives on my pizza. I like olives on the pan next to the pizza. And then I'm going to take the mushrooms, which is to the in front of the olives. And I'm going to try to get those on my pizza because I love mushrooms on my pizza. And I did a good job with that. All right, and then I'm going to take some pepperoni. It's on the left side, right there. And we're going to take some pepperoni out, if you like pepperoni. If you don't, maybe you could use chopped hot dogs. You know, those are good too. Take some of that and ate one. And I'll put some on the pizza. All right, and that's really all there is to your pizza. And then you're going to put it in the oven, however long it takes for the biscuits to cook. It's how long you're going to do it. Then you can take it out and eat it. And we'll take a look at that in just a second. Thanks. All right. All right. We have our pizza made, as you can see here in front of me. So let's test it out. All right. The first bite is always the best bite. That is really good. All right. So hopefully you will enjoy your pizza as well. And maybe you can share it with your mom or dad or brother or sister. All right. So thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.